Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have something very exciting news. I managed to get my hands on a pair of Dunks from Nike. I just got it in the mail right now actually. So let's unbox this bad boy. Let's have a look. Okay, not the box I was expecting, but let's have a look. Right. Okay, let's see. Alright, not too shabby. These look clean. So you ready for this? Check these out. Yep, the Nike Dunk High first use in this light bone and green noise colorway. These are cool. You can see here the laces are like doubled up, which is quite different. These are nice, man. Got a bit of writing under the swoosh. The swoosh are different on both sides of the shoe, the lateral and the medial side. These are cool. I am impressed. What I do is I will film my review and on-foot shots of the shoe to give you my in-depth thoughts and you know, so make sure to check that video out. I'll probably have it up in the next day or a couple of days or so. But yeah, can't wait to try these on. These look so good. There you have it. I think these were retail 190 or 200 New Zealand dollars. So not too bad. They're retail for 170 AUD, and once you convert that to New Zealand dollars, it becomes just over 200 plus shipping. But yeah, I'm not too sure how limited these are, but I did see that they had like either like an orange or a red version of the same shoe. This first use name they gave. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on these. I like these. I might actually keep them. But yeah, until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.